The beauty of Joseon Relief Sunscreen is a lightweight, hydrating sunscreen with SPF 50 designed to protect your skin from harmful UV rays while nourishing it with rice and probiotics. In this video, we'll be sharing how to use this sunscreen properly, take a deeper dive into its key ingredients, and discuss some important do's and don'ts. The beauty of Joseon Relief Sunscreen is a lightweight, non-greasy sunscreen that provides broad-spectrum UV protection. It's formulated with calming and nourishing ingredients like rice extract and probiotics to keep your skin hydrated and protected throughout the day. This sunscreen is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Here are the key ingredients in the sunscreen. First, we have 30% rice extract. Rice has been used for centuries in Korean skincare for its hydrating and brightening properties. It helps to nourish and moisturize the skin, leaving it soft and smooth. Next, we have grain-fermented extracts known as probiotics. These extracts help to strengthen the skin's barrier, soothe irritation, and promote overall skin health by supporting a balanced microbiome. Finally, niacinamide. Known for its brightening and anti-inflammatory properties, niacinamide helps to even out skin tone, regulate oil flow, and reduce redness. These ingredients work together to protect, hydrate, and calm the skin, making it a great everyday sunscreen option. Let's now jump into how to use the sunscreen into your skincare routine. Begin with cleansing your skin and pat dry. Follow with a toner, which is optional. Then apply your water-based serums, followed by any oil-based serums, and then apply your moisturizer. Finish by taking a generous amount of sunscreen, about a quarter size amount, and apply it evenly to your face, neck, and chest area. Gently massage it into your skin using upward circular motions. Be sure to cover all areas, including the ears and hairline. The beauty of Joseon Relief Sunscreen is an excellent addition to your daily skincare routine, offering broad-spectrum sun protection while keeping your skin hydrated and nourished. By incorporating it into your daily routine, you can achieve better sun protection and maintain a healthy, radiant complexion. If you want to learn more about some of our favorite Korean skincare products, check out this video here next.